Hello and welcome back. Time for another unboxing video, so let's get right to it. This one came from Germany. So let's see what we got here. Looks like a Lima, of course. Ah yes, this is the Lima, the military train set with, this is the complete set with locomotives and the Leopold cannon. Let's get this box out of the way and take a closer look at it. So this is Lima 149705L, and it includes the cannon, the Leopold cannon, which I have featured in a separate video a few, maybe a month or so ago. Let's take a look. So we have a troop carrier here, camouflaged. Very nice rendering here. And then next up, we have a couple of cargo freight carriages. And then an enclosed one. And the Leopold cannon itself. If I'm not mistaken, I thought this was red on the other one. Not 100% sure. And then we have the diesel locomotive, the two diesel locomotives that pull this monstrosity. And they're actually quite hefty themselves, if I may say so. Missing one bumper here. Do have double traction. And let's see what else is in the box. We have all the railings. Oh, the bumper's in here as well. Let's put that on. Make this guy complete. They're not particularly tight in there. Might need a drop of glue. And then there's also a whole set of axles in here. Not sure why the seller put these in. Well, these are definitely DC axles because they're insulated on one side. Not that it would need it, but so are these. So I'm not sure why the seller included some extra axles, but I'll take them. You can always use those. And then let's take a closer look at the Leopold again. Nice. And then down here is a bunch of additional hardware that I'm not even sure where those things go, but they've never been installed. And it includes instructions that might tell me that. Oh yeah. Looks like the majority of these things, these semi-triangular looking pieces, are probably grease spots that go on all the axles. And then instructions for the cannon and the railings that go on there as well. So yeah, it's a very nice set at a very good price as well. So this one is a little newer than the one I referenced in my previous video for just the Leopold cannon. This is 149705, and this is a 96 through 97 catalog. So let's set it up the way it shows it in the image here. I knew there was something red on there. I guess that's the actual artillery projectile. So I found that, and that belongs right there. So 149705, as shown in the catalog and as shown in real. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.